Say what up.
What's up?
Say what up. Just scared the shit out of me. Say what up, bro. Oh yeah, he's killing the train horns, my boy. He's blowing it. Then I gotta get mine in there.